Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in Mexico, a country that boasts a rich tapestry of culture and breathtaking landscapes. From the vibrant streets of Mexico City to the serene beaches of the Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. With its deep-rooted traditions, colorful festivals, and mouth-watering cuisine, this nation offers a unique blend of history and modernity that captivates every traveler. As we embark on this journey, you'll discover that Mexico is not just about its stunning beaches and ancient ruins, it's also about the warmth of its people and the stories they share. Each region has its own distinct character, from the lush jungles of Chiapas to the arid deserts of Baja California. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or a foodie, Mexico has something special for you. In this video, we'll guide you through some of the top destinations that showcase the best of what Mexico has to offer. Imagine wandering through the ancient pyramids of Teotihuacan, savoring authentic tacos in Oaxaca, or relaxing on the pristine shores of Tulum. Each location promises unique experiences that will leave you with unforgettable memories. So, get ready to pack your bags and join us as we dive into the vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and must-see attractions that make Mexico a top travel destination. Let's uncover the magic of this incredible country together. Cancun. The beach paradise. Cancun is often hailed as Mexico's premier beach destination, and for good reason. With its powdery white sands and crystal-clear turquoise waters, this tropical paradise offers an idyllic escape for sunseekers and adventure enthusiasts alike. The stunning beaches stretch for miles, providing the perfect backdrop for relaxation or fun-filled activities. Whether you prefer lounging under a palm tree or taking a dip in the warm Caribbean Sea, Cancun has it all. As the sun sets, Cancun transforms into a vibrant nightlife hub. The city is alive with energy, featuring a plethora of bars, clubs, and entertainment venues that cater to every taste. From lively beach parties to upscale lounges, there's no shortage of options for those looking to dance the night away or enjoy a cocktail with a view. For the adventurous at heart, Cancun offers a variety of popular activities. Snorkeling in the nearby coral reefs is a must-do, where you can explore the underwater world teeming with colorful marine life. Additionally, a short trip from the city will take you to the awe-inspiring Mayan ruins of Tulum and Chichen Itza, where you can delve into the rich history and culture of the ancient civilization. When it comes to accommodations, Cancun boasts luxurious resorts and all-inclusive options that cater to every budget. From lavish beachfront properties to cozy boutique hotels, visitors can enjoy world-class amenities, gourmet dining, and exceptional service. With so much to offer, Cancun truly stands out as a beach paradise that promises unforgettable experiences for every traveler. Mexico City. A cultural hub. Mexico City is a bustling metropolis that serves as a vibrant cultural hub, rich in history and modernity. As one of the largest cities in the world, it offers a unique blend of ancient traditions and contemporary life. At the heart of the city lies the Zócalo, one of the largest public squares globally, surrounded by stunning colonial architecture and significant historical sites. Here, you can witness the grandeur of the Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace, where Diego Rivera's murals tell the story of Mexico's past. A visit to Mexico City wouldn't be complete without exploring the Frida Kahlo Museum, also known as Casa Azul. This iconic blue house is where the famous artist was born and spent much of her life. It offers a fascinating glimpse into her world, showcasing her artwork, personal belongings, and the vibrant spirit that defined her life. The city's culinary scene is another highlight, offering a diverse array of flavors that reflect its rich cultural heritage. From high-end restaurants to bustling street food stalls, Mexico City is a food lover's paradise. Don't miss the chance to savor authentic tacos, tamales, and churros from local vendors, where every bite tells a story of tradition and passion. Moreover, Mexico City is home to numerous historical sites and museums, including the National Museum of Anthropology, which houses invaluable artifacts from pre-Columbian civilizations. With its rich tapestry of history, art, and gastronomy, Mexico City invites you to immerse yourself in its vibrant culture and discover the many layers that make it a truly remarkable destination. Tulum. Eco-chic retreat. Tulum has emerged as a trendy eco-friendly destination that perfectly blends natural beauty with a commitment to sustainability. Nestled along the stunning Caribbean coastline, Tulum boasts breathtaking beaches with powdery white sand and crystal clear waters, making it an idyllic spot for relaxation and rejuvenation. The picturesque shoreline is dotted with eco-conscious resorts and beach clubs that prioritize environmental preservation while offering luxurious amenities. One of Tulum's most captivating features is its proximity to ancient Mayan ruins. The Tulum ruins, perched on a cliff overlooking the sea, provide a stunning backdrop for exploring the rich history of the Mayan civilization. Visitors can wander through the well-preserved structures and take in the breathtaking views, creating a perfect blend of culture and nature. Tulum is also known for its focus on sustainability and wellness. Many retreats and wellness centers offer yoga classes, meditation sessions, and holistic treatments that encourage visitors to reconnect with themselves and the environment. This emphasis on well-being is complemented by farm-to-table dining experiences, where local ingredients are used to create delicious and healthy meals. In addition to its natural and wellness offerings, Tulum boasts a vibrant local art scene. Colorful murals and installations can be found throughout the town, showcasing the creativity of local artists. Boutique shopping is also a highlight, with unique shops offering handmade crafts, clothing, and artisanal goods that reflect the region's culture. With its stunning beaches, rich history, and commitment to sustainability, Tulum stands out as an eco-chic retreat that invites travelers to experience the beauty of nature while embracing a mindful lifestyle. Oaxaca. A taste of tradition. Oaxaca is a captivating destination that serves as a center for indigenous culture and cuisine, offering visitors a unique glimpse into Mexico's rich heritage. Renowned for its vibrant culinary traditions, Oaxaca is often referred to as the culinary capital of Mexico. The region is famous for its complex and flavorful mole, a rich sauce made from a blend of ingredients, including chilies, spices, and chocolate. Each family has its own secret recipe, making it a must-try dish for anyone visiting the area. Additionally, Oaxaca is known for its artisanal mezcal, a traditional spirit made from agave that has gained international acclaim. Sampling mezcal in its many varieties is an experience that showcases the region's dedication to craftsmanship. The vibrant markets of Oaxaca are a feast for the senses, bustling with activity and filled with colorful produce, spices, and handmade goods. The Mercado 20 de Noviembre is a highlight, where visitors can taste local delicacies and shop for unique artisan crafts, such as intricately woven textiles, pottery, and wood carvings. These markets not only provide a taste of Oaxacan culture but also support local artisans and their traditional practices. Oaxaca's significance extends beyond its culinary delights. The region is also known for its lively festivals and cultural events. Celebrations like the Guelaguetza showcase traditional music, dance, and costumes, reflecting the diverse indigenous communities that call Oaxaca home. These events offer a vibrant atmosphere where visitors can immerse themselves in the local culture and experience the warmth and hospitality of the Oaxacan people. With its rich traditions, delicious cuisine, and lively cultural scene, Oaxaca truly offers a taste of Mexico's heart and soul. Chichen Itza. A wonder of the world, Chichen Itza stands as a must-visit archaeological site and a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Mayan civilization. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this remarkable location is steeped in history and significance, drawing visitors from around the globe who seek to explore its rich cultural heritage. Founded around the 7th century, Chichen Itza was once a thriving city that served as a major political, economic, and religious center for the Maya. Its impressive ruins tell the story of a civilization that excelled in architecture, astronomy, and mathematics. At the heart of Chichen Itza lies the iconic El Castillo Pyramid, also known as the Temple of Kukulkan. This stunning structure is not only a marvel of engineering but also a symbol of the Mayans' deep understanding of astronomy. The pyramid features 91 steps on each of its 4 sides, which, when combined with the platform at the top, totals 365, one for each day of the year. During the spring and autumn equinoxes, the play of light and shadow creates the illusion of a serpent slithering down the staircase, a breathtaking spectacle that highlights the Mayans' astronomical prowess. To truly appreciate the depth of Chichen Itza's history and significance, guided tours are highly recommended. Knowledgeable guides provide invaluable insights into the site's architecture, rituals, and the daily lives of the ancient Maya. They help visitors connect with the past, making the experience not just a visit to ruins, but a journey through time. With its awe-inspiring structures and rich cultural legacy, Chichén Itzá is undeniably a wonder of the world that should not be missed. In this video, we've taken you on an exciting journey through some of Mexico's top destinations, showcasing the incredible diversity of experiences that await travelers. From the sun-soaked beaches of Cancun to the rich cultural tapestry of Mexico City, each location offers its own unique charm and attractions. We explored Tulum's eco-chic vibe, where stunning beaches meet ancient Mayan ruins, and delved into Oaxaca's culinary delights, highlighting its vibrant markets and traditional festivals. Finally, we marveled at the historical significance of Chichén Itzá, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Maya. Each of these destinations presents a wealth of opportunities for adventure, relaxation, and cultural immersion. Whether you're seeking thrilling nightlife, mouth-watering cuisine, or breathtaking natural beauty, Mexico has something for everyone. We encourage you to explore these remarkable locations and discover the unique offerings that make each one special. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel guides and tips. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts who might be inspired to embark on their own Mexican adventure. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you in our next video as we continue to explore the wonders of the world together.